We would like to show you our thermal transient meter, which we designed to validate airbag igniters. The instrument is based on a source meter made by Keithley Instruments. We've embedded our own custom software into the source meter to give it a new measurement personality, thereby creating a completely new instrument. The instrument measures the resistance of the bridge wire of airbag igniters. We connect the igniter to the instrument using a 4-wire Kelvin circuit. Simply turn it on, and in a few seconds, it's ready to start taking measurements. The instrument can work standalone, which is perfect while working on the bench. Just press the trigger button and the device takes the measurements. First, the initial resistance is taken, then the thermal transient, and, after a short pause, the final resistance. The digital I/O on the back of the instrument can be used to trigger a measurement and read the pass-fail bits for the initial resistance, final resistance, and thermal transient. This is how the instrument is used on the production line. The instrument comes with a full API and the source code for a test application that we will now show you. The source code allows developers to integrate the instrument into any environment easily. First, connect to the instrument. Then, enter the test parameters. Click Apply to send the parameters to the instrument. Measurement commands are sent to the instrument. The measurement is read from the instrument, and the reading is displayed on the top header. If any of the measurements are out of range, the digital I/O bit will turn high. We can demonstrate this by lowering the high limit threshold for the thermal transient to a value which is below the thermal transient of this particular device. Now, when we take the measurement, the application flags it as too high. Now let's restore the threshold. We'll take a new measurement, and this time it passes, as indicated by no red alert. The application also supports trigger mode. The program measures when the instrument receives a signal on the digital I/O or the front panel. When we're done, we disconnect from the instrument. Integrated Scientific Resources created a unique thermal transient meter using an off-the-shelf and reliable Keithley source meter and giving it a new measurement personality. The instrument can measure initial resistance, final resistance, and thermal transient values of airbag igniters. Source code and a full API allow the integration of the instrument into any environment.